Hello everybody, I am Manu and I am here to welcome you all for this celebrating the Ugadi for this year and respected delegates on stage uh, from Office of International Affairs, Ms. Charlie Low and Assistant Director General from Indian Taipei Association, Dr. Mahesh Kumar Garu, and Assistant Professor from MSU, Dr. Girish Garu. Welcome, and everybody who are present here. Like I welcome you all for this Ugadi celebration. And people have come from different places like Kaohsiung, Taipei, Hualien, and other different places here. And we have around 40% of the people from these places. And actually, this Ugadi, like what we have for in Taiwan culture, we have like 12 years. But in our culture, we have like 60 years cycle. And in this 60-year cycle, this year is called Bitwa Vasusai a year. So this year means like abundance with wealth. So I hope everybody is well deserved to have the abundance of wealth, which we almost, yeah, which is the thing which we want. And next is like Ugadi. Ugadi, what is Ugadi? Ugadi means is a combination of like two words, Yuga and Adi. Yuga means it's a starting era, and Adi means it's a starting. So this is starting of era, new era, and this is a new year. So this festival is not only celebrated in south states of India, it's been celebrated even in the northern states, like uh, in Punjab, Punjab and Assam and other many different states. So uh, before I move ahead, like I would like to say something about TTA, Taiwan Telugu Association, and uh, this was formed in 2020, and since then we have conducted like around 25 to 30 programs where we want to establish this mutual exchange, cultural exchange between Taiwan and India. And also like we see that many people from India are coming here, and we see many new students and others for business or any other things. We want to establish a platform where everybody can interact with one another. And uh, we also conduct some tournaments, and this is the like we have already conducted every year. We conduct one cricket tournament where the youngsters can participate, and we have conducted already 4 cricket tournaments so far. And this year we have in the next 2 weeks. So around 100 people, youngsters, they come and play. So we want to establish a kind of environment where everybody is happy, joyous, and try to find home in this other home, that is Taiwan. It's a second home for me now. And I am really glad that you have all come up here, and we are actually waiting for much more cultural performances, and I would like you all to uh, like bear patience, because like I'm a bit like a bit delayed from what was actually planned. I'm sorry for that due to unforeseen reasons. And however, like I wish you have a pleasant, what do you say, like enjoy and memorable day now on. Thank you.
Thank you,
Before
Dr.
this,
Manoj.
I would like to tell also thanks to uh, Office of International Affairs and Professor Loh, who has actually uh, sponsored the venue for this event, and we hope for much more events as this, and like we want to have this support from the university. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Manoj Garu. So before requesting our another chief guest, so I just want to make an announcement that someone lost this wallet. So every info is in Chinese, so I cannot, I don't know what is the name here. So if anyone lost, please come here and collect it.